Michelle Foster, and this is how to plant a ponytail palm. This very slow growing plant, which actually grows in my front yard here in Santa Barbara, California, is actually not a palm. It's in the asparagus family, and it's a very, very tough plant. So this palm was actually growing in this pot for 3 years, and I could tell that it was due for some repotting, so this is a great time to do it. I used a mix of cactus mix and potting soil. You can use straight cactus mix if you want. Just make sure it's a very well draining soil. And I put enough soil in to the level I want to raise it up to. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of root on here. I'm going to break this up a bit. And then I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to leave it slightly up above because the plant itself is heavy, and then it's going to sink down a little bit. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to fill around with all that mix. And you never want to bury the bulb up to here. If the soil level is here, keep the soil level here or higher. And then after it's done, I'm going to go ahead and put some of this beautiful decorative rock on the top. This ponytail palm was root bound, as you can see, and the cells of the roots need oxygen to grow. So now it's going to be a lot happier in this pot. I'm going to keep it dry for about 5 days to a week because they like to be dry, and then it's all set to go.